Good morning. I don't know how people do this. I am going to give this a shot. We are getting ready to go on vacation. We're taking our RV to the beach for a week, and I thought it might be kind of fun to try to vlog my vacation week. So today is prep day. I'm pretty much already prepared, but I think I will just kind of share with you my day and see how this goes. I am starting my morning bright and early. It's actually not bright. It's still very dark, with coffee, and probably in about an hour, I will have my first fueling. I just got up, so I try to eat within the first hour of getting up. So let's do a little vacation vlog. Okay, the day is starting and I've showered, I've washed some dishes, I've got some things organized for the day. I do have to work today, so I'm gonna try to squeeze in some things in between before I work and things like that. So fueling number one is one of my breakfast muffins. I have a video for that. You can check that one out. Just look up Fun with Fueling's breakfast muffins. This is a combination of the chocolate chip pancake and the now discontinued cinnamon swirl, cream cheese cinnamon swirl, whatever that is, cake. Please, Optavia, come up with another cake to replace that one because that one's a really good one. So that's what I'm gonna have for fueling number one. Before my workday starts, I'm going to prep some fuelings to have prepared because we have a car trip tomorrow. So I'll have to eat a few fuelings in the car tomorrow. And it's just nice to have some things prepared ahead of time. So let me tell you what I'm gonna make because I'm not gonna show them to you today, but I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna make. So I'm going to combine the chocolate fudge pudding and the brownie and make 2 chocolate cookies that way. I'm also going to combine the chocolate fudge pudding with the golden butterscotch blondie and also make 2 cookies that way. So that's going to be 4 cookies, which would be like a PM, a last kind of day thing. I am going to see what happens if I combine the pancake, the plain golden pancake with the sour cream and chive potatoes, and try to do kind of, I'm gonna do them kind of muffin-like, but I probably will end up splitting them in half and toasting them. I've done that with a few of the muffin type things that I've done, so I'll let you know how that one goes. And then I am gonna do a video of this, but I just haven't done it yet, is the golden butterscotch blondie with the apple cinnamon spice oatmeal and making cookies out of that. And those make some really nice butterscotch oatmeal cookies, kind of like, I don't know, butterscotch oatmeal cookies. They're actually really good. So I'm gonna do those today, this morning, before my day gets going. And I'm gonna eat my fueling first, drink some more coffee, drink some water, and I'll see you for fueling number 2. So I have baked a loaf of bread for David for vacation. I have made chocolate chip cookie dough and baked some cookies for him for vacation as well. I did my fuelings, got those baked off, and I'm gonna have one of them as for my fueling number 2. This is the combination of the golden pancake, no chocolate chips, and the sour cream potatoes. And I just mixed in about 4 tablespoons of water and put it in one of the little paper ramekins in the air fryer. So I'm gonna give it a little taste. That's not bad. I was kind of afraid that the sweetness of the pancake would be weird with the potatoes, but it really gives it a nice bready texture. So give it a try. I'll be back later. I'm about to have fueling number 3, but I did want to just talk to you kind of about, this is what's been going on today. So I work, and I work from home, and Fridays is a full day for me. I work all day. I'm just taking a quick little step away to tell you that we are headed to the beach with our RV. And so I have spent, of course, time preparing to make sure that I have what I need, because we are going to be fixing our food and staying really there at the RV park for the most part. I am taking my Dash waffle maker with me. I will have a blender I have my frother, and I actually have a microwave in the RV, and I don't have one in my house. So who knows, I may end up microwaving some things. But this morning I did make a bunch of fuelings ahead of time. And I do like to do that to kind of make up 8 to 10 fuelings, keep them in the fridge or in the freezer, just to be prepared, so I have things to pull from, so that I'm not constantly having to make a fueling throughout the day. So that's kind of what I've done as far as preparation goes. I have, of course, you know that I make my weekly plan, and I know exactly what I have, the right number of fuelings plus several extras that I will be taking with me in the RV. And then our plan is to go to the fresh fish market a couple times while we're there and get fish. We will probably eat a couple of meals out. Typically lunchtime is the best place to do that for us. And I will do things like, grilled fish with grilled vegetables, or a salad with grilled fish. I will eat fish every single day while I am gone, just because that's really important to me. So that is our plan. What I've been doing today, aside from work, I am going to be eating a fueling that I made. This is a waffle made out of the macaroni and cheese. It is the only way that I can eat the macaroni and cheese, and it doesn't taste like macaroni and cheese. It kind of tastes like a big Cheez-It, sort of. And so that, I like that. I'm gonna have this as my fueling number 3 and get some more water in. I am really trying to spread my water out throughout the day, and I think that's really important, just to constantly stay hydrated. So I will be back with you in a little bit. Hopefully I'll get the hang of this blog thing, and today is really just a boring day because I'm working all day anyway. Tomorrow will be a little more exciting because we'll be on the road. So you get to go with us for that. That'll be fun. It is time for fueling number 4. I'm gonna have the chocolate mint cookie crisp bar as my 4th fueling. I think my lean and green tonight is going to be pizza. It is Friday night, and that's typically what I do on a Friday night. So I'm probably gonna just make a pizza with, of course, cheese, and if I have turkey pepperoni, I'll use that. I know I've got some turkey bacon, so I might do some turkey bacon instead of turkey pepperoni. And I need some vegetables, so I have a few cooked mushrooms and maybe a little bit of peppers on there. And call it good. So looking forward to fish coming up soon. Again, sorry that this isn't a very exciting first vlog. I don't really have anything to show you today because I'm just sitting here working. So I'll see you around dinner time. So dinner tonight is a pizza, my cauliflower crust, and I had some leftover mushrooms and some turkey pepperoni and some cheese. So that is what my lean and green is for tonight. Really excited about this. Got some last minute packing that I need to do. And I will see you back for the last fueling of the day. I closed the evening with a video of my cat, Milo, because you don't want to look at me because I'm lying in bed. I just ate my last fueling. It was a cookie made with the brownie and the chocolate pudding. I talked about it earlier this morning. It was Milo. I'm going to sleep. We're going to get up early and head out in the RV. So I will talk to you tomorrow. It's been a good day. See you for tomorrow's vlog. Bye.